In this video, we are going to program to print the Armstrong numbers within the given range. 153 is an Armstrong number because 1 to the power of 3 because the length of 153 is 3 plus 5 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 1 plus 125 plus 27, which is equal to 153. So the length of these numbers is used in the power. These types of numbers are called Armstrong numbers. Start is equal to int input start, end is equal to int input end. Armstrong numbers is equal to an empty set for I in range start comma n plus 1. I is equal to string of I. We are changing it to string type to find out its length. Power is equal to length of I. So A is equal to an empty set for j in I. So now it is in the string form. We have to convert it again into int. So j is equal to int of j. A dot append j to the power if int of I is equivalent to sum of A, Armstrong numbers dot append I. So if it is an Armstrong number, it will append it to the set Armstrong numbers. So print the Armstrong numbers are comma Armstrong numbers. Run the program. Dot 100 500. So if you don't want the square brackets, put the star symbol before Armstrong numbers and the program again. 100 500. Okay, so thanks for watching.